Alright guys, so we're gonna start working on the hood latches now. In the previous video, you guys saw us clean the headlights. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the hood latches. So we're gonna use the pre-existing holes like I said before right here. And the way to get that is you kind of have to get the shield off, which is held on by like, what, 2 screws? 4 screws each?
Just these 2.
Yep, so we got that off, so we're able to access the hole from right there. What you kind of want to do is you're gonna want to slide it in, put this rubber, basically like a thick washer under it, or like in between the railing, so the metal, like the frame of the car, under that's gonna be this, and then you put an extra washer down there and then tighten it from the bottom. Alright guys, so now that you have these on, you gotta get the best toothpaste you can get. This one's Essentials. It is with charcoal, so it's pretty good for your teeth. So then you just put a little bit on it, not too much. Alright, just a little dab. Oh shit. If you put too much, just grab your toothbrush. Don't waste it, just use it. And then yeah, you put it on both. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh no. Shit, alright, cut the tape, bro.
Put on your teeth.
Does it hit both? It does not hit both. Oh shit, that one's bent. Well, that one's there and that one's there. Guys, so we have the toothpaste mark right here. We're just gonna basically full send all the way up and past the hood. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but this is how Mighty Car Mods did it, so we're just gonna follow them. Try to drill as straight as I can. Oh man, that.
Easy.
I should wear protective eye goggles because like straps of metal was going into my face. So wear goggles, kids. Holy shit. We kind of got it almost there. It's not. We got it on the inside hole because we drilled it a little bit more. Now we're just trying to figure out how we can get it on the outside hole. But it's almost there. Let's go, we're gonna cut that anyways. It didn't go through though. Hit me up for Royce's Auto Body. I do. Fuck this shit, bro. We have the holes drilled out right here. It's not the best, but it is what it is right now because all we're doing is just trying to test fit it because we're gonna end up cutting this anyways to fit this whole entire thing. So we're gonna make a cut like this big. Now is just we just put tape on this so we can outline how we want the latches to like stay put. I kind of wanted it to match like the curvature of the car, so I didn't want it to be too aggressive like that. So just a slight little like diagonal. hood pins all in. We're just gonna drill the remaining holes right here so that we can bolt it up on the other side with this. So this goes inside the hood, while that goes outside. We have the hood latches on right now. Took a long time to do, but these are just hand tied at the moment because we still need to adjust it for the bumper as well as the fenders. But as of right now, this is what it looks like down here. Had to cut that, this right there. Then they just go in that and they tighten up. Yep, so locked in. And yeah, it's still moving a little bit just because not everything's tightened, but we will get it done. After a long 8 hours of just constantly working on the car, it's finally back in the garage. We got hood latches on, the fenders are all sanded down. We got the seal ready, it's already sealed up, ready to go. The front bumper is ready, the rear bumper's there. It's really just coming along on how I want to build the S2000, which is so sick. I want you guys to just see the vision that I have with this car. It's gonna be crazy, I promise you guys. And for anybody that wants to build cars like this, honestly, just do it. People are always gonna doubt you. People are always gonna hate on whatever you're doing, but honestly, build the cars the way you want to build them. Like I always say with the brand Build Humbly, build it to the best of your ability while staying humble, you know. We all start from somewhere. I started with a silver EK coupe, built that, went to the SI, got the hatch, now the S2000. Honestly, if I can do that, anybody else can do it. A lot of you guys don't watch the channel because it's S2000 content now. I know a lot of you guys don't care for it, because I know when I had the hatch, a lot of people watched it. Obviously you guys still want to watch FG2 stuff, but I just want you guys to know I'm not working on that anymore. It's literally the S2000. So if you guys want to support the build, support me, not just for the SI but for whatever cars I build, thank you guys for staying. For those who are just here for the SI stuff, well, it was nice having you, and hopefully later down the road, if I do build an FA5, you guys will come back. So yeah, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, hit that like if you guys liked it. Putting a lot of work into this. I'm trying to take YouTube more seriously. That's something I wanted to talk about as well, because now that I'm out of school, I graduated, I want to focus on YouTube full force, because I know I could do this. I'm speaking into existence. I'm going to be successful on YouTube, and anybody else can do it too, especially when you put your heart into whatever you're doing and you enjoy it and have fun, especially with all the homies and all my friends that want to help out. A lot more builds coming soon. This car is going to be done. So with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one, and remember, build humbly. Peace.